So now we are on 26 through 30. And it talks about a 7/16 nut driver, which you can ignore that number for right now. And it has a diameter of the handle. Okay, so we're going to have some kind of driver here. Let's do this and drive that down. Okay, and then we're going to have the bolts here. Okay, all that good stuff. Boom. All right. And you're going to have a driver that's going to be going around in a circle here. Okay? All right. Now, we have this reading in here. So we have that it's going to be a 1/4 inch. A 1/4 inch is going to be the length of the actual bolt going in. So that is a 1/4 inch right here. Okay, going down right there. The 20, if you remember that, that is your threads per inch. Okay, so that's your threads per inch right there. And that would be, if we want to figure out the pitch, we're going to do 1 over our threads per inch to get the pitch. Okay, let's first go with the circumference. So circumference is going to be either 2 pi r or pi times diameter. So we are given the diameter is 1.5 inches. So we're just going to do pi times 1.5, and we will get our answer of 4.71 inches. There you go. All right, next is pitch. So pitch is going to be 1 divided by the threads per inch. So threads per inch there, and we have 1 divided by 20 threads per inch, which means the distance between each thread is the pitch, which is going to be 0.05 inches. Okay, now we got mechanical advantage, and we're going to do our IMA. So our IMA for this, our IMA is going to be, as always, the effort distance divided by the resistance distance, which is always fun to say. And our effort distance was the circumference traveled, 4.71. Okay, our resistance distance is going to be the pitch, how far it goes down for 1 turn, which is 0.05. Okay, so we have 4.71 divided by 0.05, and we get 94.2 is your mechanical advantage. All right, finally, we have our force here, 5 pounds of force. If we exert that, which means that is our effort force. And I'm running out of space here, so I'm just going to do it over here. So the idea would be this. And this is all ideal, right? Which means zero friction, which is not going to really happen, but we're just doing stuff without friction right now. So we are saying that the AMA is equal to the IMA, okay? Which means the formula for AMA is resistance force over effort force. I'm going to cheat and put in whatever the IMA, we're going to just use the IMA. I don't feel like plugging those numbers in again, okay? So we need to figure out what the resistance force is. So we are going to get FR left in there. The effort force was 5, and that's equal to our IMA, which was 94.2. So you multiply both sides by 5. Okay, crosses out. FR is going to equal 94.2 times 5, and you get something like 471 pounds of force. There you go. You are done with the worksheet.